How to compress video without losing quality. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily compress videos without losing the quality. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and then you can search for any video compressor sites. It's really easy to find, but this free convert one is really handy. It's really simple. As soon as you open it up, you can see the choose files option. Just tap on it. And then you can choose from device, from Dropbox, or from your Google Drive. Just choose the video and hit open. Now you can just tap on compress now, and then that's it. It's as simple as that. It will compress the size of your video easily without losing the quality. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.